I feel good. I feel great. Thank you for this wig today. I feel good. I feel great. Thank you for this wig today. Welcome back to the channel, and your girl, I am feeling good, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Big thank you to Outre for sending out today's unit. Definitely appreciate it. Most importantly, thank you to all of you for tuning in. Would help me a lot. I would definitely appreciate it if you ring the bell, and also click that subscribe button before you go. Drop me a message down below, and as always, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Update on this unit, as usual, click the eye. It will take you directly to that video. Baby, we are going classy and sophisticated today, honey. Oh yeah, this is such a soft, natural, textured unit. Oh, look at that body. Does have kind of like that stocking cap stretch to it. However, these are sewn on a track, and this is very lightweight. You do have a larger comb in the back, and then you do have the two combs in the front along the lace hairline on this unit. And baby, let me tell you, they gave you some real estate for some plication, baby, okay? So they did give you a lot of room to pluck on the sides if you do decide to do so with this unit, which I think is always a plus. Makes it definitely much more blendable, and you can definitely see it from the other side. Now this seriously looks like a plop and go. The only thing about this unit is probably the parting space. It looks a little pluckable. So I am gonna go ahead and take out some of the hairs in the parting space. Not a lot, I'll show that on camera, but baby, let's go. So the easiest way that I can describe how to pluck your part, basically take a rat tail comb. You're gonna part straight down the middle of the part, not on the left or right side, straight down the middle. And you're gonna take a couple of strands in your hair, each one by one, and basically twirl it around your finger and pull. Now, if you find that when you pull it doesn't give, guess what? You have too much hair in your hand. Just let go of a little bit, keep plucking, repeat the process, and voila. Alright y'all, so forgive me for the white. I think it's going to make it hard for me to edit this video, but we're just going to push through. I'm not going to do too much else to this unit. However, I am going to go in with my lace tint spray just so I can tint this lace or color it. So I've already started on the right side. I'll go ahead and do the left. Okay, so I turned it inside out just so I could get a little bit more coverage. And I think that is good. Yo, already, baby. Okay, so I do see one thing that I'm really not liking, and it's this part. Looks like it's a little crooked. There we go. That's what we want. Okay. This is a very loose cap too. Okay, so we do have a little bit of white up here from the lace. So I'm just going to use the even lace tint spray and apply this along the lace of the hairline. Just go right along here. First we'll try this. So it looks a little bit better. You can kind of see it right here. Okay, so I'll go in on the other side. Okay, it looks a little bit better. So you can kind of see it right here. Looks better. So I'll do the same on the other side. Rub that in. So I'm thinking the first thing I'm going to try is going in with a little bit of spray, and then my blow dryer set to low heat just to flatten out the top. I'm not going to spray too much. We don't want that like shiny cast off. I'll go over it with the comb. You can already see how it's kind of giving off a little shine. So we want to avoid that as much as possible. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit of makeup in the part. Not a lot. I do want this to look very natural. So, okay. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are like some little wispy baby hairs that came with this wig. So, I'm actually not gonna even brush them, but I am gonna just cut them just a little bit. And we'll kind of just brush them off to the side. I actually really like the way they did the baby's hairs on here. All right, baby. I think we are done. Listen, I know I am a little extra when it comes to these Outre wigs. That is for a very good reason. They listen. You know, I feel like they look at these reviews and they actually take what we say into consideration. Love the texture, no shine to it, nice healthy luster. It looks real. It doesn't have like the crinkles in it. It really has like kind of like a blow dry, blowout look to it. I love the fact that they did give us blunt cut ends and they are not bumped. They did a very slight curl to them, but it doesn't give you kind of that wiggy, turned up vibe at the end. It's a very subtle look and it looks good from the front and it looks so good from the back. And it's so freaking soft. Look at this. Look how much she is moving, baby. And she just pops right back into place. I think the only thing that I would change about this, I'm not a fan of having the tracks all the way at the part, not laying as flat as I would like to, and that is because I do feel like the tracks right here next to the parting space, but I think she still looks good straight out of the pack. Bob season is in full effect, honey. Yeah, so if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit, definitely hit up the description box down below. It will take you to the Google search. Shop accordingly, swipe card accordingly, slay accordingly. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciated. Definitely hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell. Drop your girl a comment down below, but most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.